Technology has become a crucial part of our daily lives. Nowadays, we cannot even imagine what it will be like if there is no technology. As time passes by, we learn to adapt with what is going on around us. The same is true to the fact that even language, literature, and learning are being improved by technology. Technology is a big help to improve language, literature, and learning. Using technology, there are better presentations of the topic being elaborated with the help of creative materials and models. We can also learn different languages that we want through social interaction with the natives of other countries. Deeper sense of learning can also be acquired because different learning tools such as softwares are easy to manipulate. Technology also deepens learning because through researching concepts about the topic being discussed that are not addressed in the book are deepened. There are also different applications that enable students to create something worthy regarding their lessons, which challenges and motivates them. Technology also enables accessibility with the very advanced gadgets that are being invented in this present time, which allows us to carry with us our learning tools such as files and other documents. Through multimedia and other similar applications, learning becomes more interesting, just like the literature classics that they put into movies now. Not all people will spend their time reading books. Sounds and other graphical effects give more power to the movies, which adds to the realistic point. Therefore, technology really is an important part of our lives now.